Good morning, ladies and gents. Thanks for tuning in to another watch list brought to you by FTX. If you don't have an FTX account, then use the link in the description below and you'll receive 10% off your trading fees. What an interesting morning it's been. It looked like we did have a small handful of setups to watch throughout the day, but you know, as soon as the 10 o'clock close came, it's seen a lot of selling. Bitcoin's currently down 4%. So let's have a look lower. It looks like we're just, we tried to stay above this resistance level, and we're just popping back into that range that Bitcoin loves so much. Yeah, look at that. That is a huge 1 hour candle. So yeah, nothing really there on Bitcoin for us at the moment. We're just popping down into that range. And to be honest, this is just the nature of a bear market. A lot of confusion, and a lot of people fall into the trap of, we pop out of a range like this, we're going long, people take margin trades to the long side and then just get washed out by people with bigger bags. But yeah, nothing there on Bitcoin at the moment. ETH, sorry, g'day Bobby and Ray. Yeah, it has been a crazy start to the day. Ethereum was looking nice. We started to trend on the 4 hour. It did look like we're pulling back into that cradle zone, but that has all gone south. Unfortunately, we're just popping down onto this sort of a range of a support level here. So yeah, nothing really on Ethereum as well. A lot of selling. I think for the remainder of this morning at least, we need to let the market settle and decide its next move. Unfortunately, this has ruined any trading setups. AVAX still, overshot that cradle zone now. So it was in the watch list. It was looking good, but it's gone now. So what can we do? Good thing we didn't get a nice setup. Get entered in and stopped out. So that's where patience plays a good part. So BSV on let's have a look at the daily. Nice daily uptrend, but if we look lower, it was the 4 hour. Yeah, we're looking at pulling back into that cradle zone. A nice bullish candle in there would have been nice, but we haven't got that. We've just ruined that trend. So that is gone, and I'll take that out of the list. Chili's, we did have a level here. We broke out. A pullback to that level was what we were hoping for. We didn't quite get that. Did have a nice bullish candle in the cradle zone, but like I said in the scan this morning, I probably wouldn't be taking a trade into a level like that. And now this candle's ruined that setup as well. So yeah, a waiting game on Chili's as well. Helium is the only one I think in the list at the moment that could potentially set up little bit of a level here. A pullback to that level may be a little bit too deep for us, but a bullish candle in that cradle, I I definitely want to know about that. The 8's there as well. So we will see how that one plays out for today. And finally, see a coin. We've got a nice level there. So forming up into that level. It's kind of ruined now by this big red candle, but it's a level nonetheless. So if we do see some buying come back in on see a coin and we push up into that level, I'd love to see a break and pull back into that cradle zone. Also on that level. So we will see what happens, but I dare say today will be another day of just waiting and sitting on the side, watching the market and let it decide what it's going to do. It's pretty horrendous trading conditions out there at the moment. Unfortunately, there was no shorting opportunities. If we have a look at Bitcoin on the daily, we're very divergent. And across the board, you know, there's some daily downtrends, you could say, mostly flat, but there are some downtrends, but the MACD doesn't agree. You know, it's very, very divergent. So no real shorting opportunities out there for us. But yeah, let's just wait out and see what the market brings us today. Good morning. Can we know what that style of EMA is called with the extra color instead of just a simple line? This EMA here. Yeah, I can definitely do that. So I'll tell you what it's called actually. It's a cradle. If you just type cradle into the indicators, it's a cradle zone EMA fill by Matt Harves. So that's the indicator that I use. It does give you that ribbon color. You can change the 20 and the 10 moving average colors as well to suit your personal preference, but that's the one that I like to use. I hope that helps. But yeah, I think unfortunately it's a waiting game. Let's see what the market does, whether we pop back down into this range and we spend, you know, another few days down there. You know what, we may see some buying come back in and we pop back out. Who knows? But it's going to be an interesting day. Yeah, that's all right. Always feel free to reach out to us for any help like that. Yeah, I don't know, Winston. I have no idea what's happened. I thought maybe you had sold a big bag of what you were holding, but I don't think that's happened. Yeah, I hope you all have a fantastic day. I'll be around in the community, so will Craig. Craig's just sorting some personal things out this morning, but he will be around. And yeah, if anything comes up, I'll keep you guys posted. But thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.